Hello everyone, Jyoti here. So let's talk today about Microsoft Power BI. What is Power BI? Power BI is a data visualization platform where we can show our unstructured data in a more visualized way. There is lots of options like chart, graphs, and plot, scattered plots, and many more. So we can visualize the data, we can create reports and many things using Power BI.
बट वाई पावर बी आई ही क्यों एक्सेल सीट भी है अवेलेबल सो वाई वी नीड टू यूज़ पावर बी आई एक्चुअली एक्सेल सीट के साथ सम लिमिटेशन है इफ़ यू वांट टू वर्क विद द लार्ज डेटा सेट then it's a problem to work with excel but with power bi we can easily work with the large data set there are in power bi there are huge number of data sources available we can easily connect with the data source like excel csv file sql data source and many more. That means with Power BI we can easily connect to data source and then we can transform and clean our data to create a data model. And after that we can create visuals such as chart or graph that provides visual representation of the data. We can create reports that are collections of visuals. That means we can share these reports also with our colleagues and in teams by using Power BI services. So Power BI consists several elements. So we need to know about the basics, that is Power BI desktop, Power BI service and Power BI mobile app. So first we need to go with the Power BI desktop. Why Power BI desktop? It's completely free and if you want to create your visualization, so we need to first learn from the Power BI desktop. Here we can create our visualizations. So first we need to install. So I will paste this link in the description box and also in the comment box. So you just need to come here and need to download and install this Power BI desktop. And after installing this application, when you will open, it will look like this. So you need to get start from the scratch by clicking here, and then this page will be open. So here you need to come here on the home section, and then here you can see get data source. So here as you can see there are large number of data sets. So when you click on more options, it will show you lots of records like it will show you large number of data sets like from where you want to get the data. Is it excel text or csv file, folders or sql? Like there are already lots of data. We can easily connect with this data sources. So let's suppose if you want to connect with the excel, so you just need to select that data sources and you can connect with the data source. So it might be possible like excel sheet, you can see the record can be show here in this way, and we can create this visualization by using Power BI reports. So we can create our visualizations like this way or this way. So this in the next video we will create the visualization like this. Thank you, and please like and share, subscribe to my channel.